Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook miso cod. First, let's prepare the irresistible marinade. Combine a 1/4 cup of white miso paste, 2 tablespoons each of sake and mirin, and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Whisk these ingredients thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. This sweet and savory base is key to developing that signature flavor profile. Next, carefully pat your fresh cod fillets dry with paper towels to ensure the marinade adheres well. Place the dried cod into a shallow dish or a sturdy resealable bag. Pour the freshly prepared miso marinade generously over the fish, making sure each fillet is thoroughly coated. Then, refrigerate for 24 full hours. This extended marination time is crucial for deep flavor infusion. After marinating, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper for effortless cleanup. Gently scrape off most of the excess marinade from the cod fillets. Too much will burn. Bake the cod for 12 to 15 minutes or until the fish is opaque and flakes easily with a fork. It will be perfectly cooked through. For that beautiful caramelized top, switch your oven to the broiler setting. Carefully place the baked cod under the broiler for just 2 to 3 minutes. Stay very close and watch it continuously, as the miso glaze can burn quickly. The surface should transform into a lovely golden brown, developing an irresistible crust and enhancing its rich flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.